Hello and welcome to you guys, it's Moen, and in this session we're gonna install an application to code with that. In order to code and make web pages, we need a tool to write code with that. So there are many applications to choose, but I just like vscode, so I go there and install that, and I didn't do anything before you come here and start watching this video. So let's go and search for vscode in the internet, and here at the first result you can come here and download the application. So if you are using Windows, you can download it like this from this link. And if you are using Mac or Linux, you can download your version easily. You know, it's not that hard and you can get it easily. So due to my low internet speed, you can see here I gotta stop the video and then we can continue after that. So the application is downloaded by now. You can open it up from this field and here. Yeah. Let's go and run this. So click on OK and accept the agreement. You can read these parts, but I don't think you need to do this. This application is safe, and you can change the direction. Tap on next. Go for all of these things. It can be helpful. Like whenever you want to open up a project which is located on your desktop, and you can click on it, right click on it and tap on open with code editor, then it opens up. If you choose this one, if you check this one, you can do this after. Just check all of these parts and go for next. It will be installed in less than 50 seconds. It's so fast. So, and if you want to install another application, you can go for some applications like Atom Editor. You can find it here, installing Atom, or anything else. A lot of people use these two. These two are most popular applications for coding, and there is no difference between these two, but I like this one more than Atom. So let's go and run the application. So you don't see these parts because I had them before you come here, and in case you just install it by now, you should go and install some extensions for web development, because you're gonna make web applications. You need some tools to install. First of all, go and install an extension for HTML. You can find it here. You can install any of these extensions, but I suggest this one. It is very popular. You can see the install count here. It's too much really, and the 4 stars. It's good really. Then you don't need to install anything more. You can come here and start coding. No need to other tools. Just VS Code and the extension and a browser. I'm using Edge browser, but you can go for any browser you like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, and anything you like. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and make a comment down here. See you guys.